Nomadix was founded in 1998 with the vision of providing internet access everywhere in the world.
Access gateway technology started to create the ability for users to easily access networks, especially a lot of business travelers and salespeople. When they went into hotels, they wouldn't have a way to get connected to the internet, to get their emails, to get their information. And so the desire was to make it an easy way for these people to get connected and get access to what they needed to access.
It seems commonplace now, but you have to remember back in 1998, this was a very transformational concept. The idea of being able to just go onto somebody else's network and without having to reconfigure or do anything to your computer, just being able to access instantly.
Nomadix outshines its competitors, certainly with reliability being one of the biggest ones. Our failure rates are some of the lowest in the industry. When somebody installs Nomadix, they do that with the confidence that once it's in, it'll run and they won't have to look back.
Nomadix has invested and continues to invest in multi-million-dollar test beds to ensure that we go through and thoroughly vet our products and our software before we even go through any kind of a general release.
We have a real-time operating system, the same one that's used by the Mars rover, the same one that keeps a lot of planes up in the air.
These are very critical applications that require that these networks be up at all times. There's personal and business ramifications that are at stake in all these situations. And this is where Nomadix gateways really excel, is in these kinds of environments that have no tolerance for any kind of fault or failures, require that they be up at all times 24/7 and ensure that the best overall guest experience is achieved.
And I think Nomadix understands and allows companies to run their business the way they want to run their business.
You know, this idea of flexibility is really important. We have a lot of customers who really want to separate themselves. Not only the service provider providing the service, do they want to differentiate themselves in what they're able to do, but the end customer wants to be able to differentiate the user experience.
We will customize capabilities and features for our customers. Many of our competitors just won't even entertain upgrading and updating the capabilities and the feature sets within the product. And we'll do that.
We're going to give them all the tools that they need in order to make it unique to them so that they have the ability to differentiate themselves when they're out there selling their product.
We are flexible and adaptable and getting these features out into our software as quickly as possible to ensure that our customers can benefit from what we do here at Nomadix.
One of the most common comments that we hear back from our integrators is, it just works.
If we do our job well, like we do, internet should be almost invisible to the user. It should just happen.
Quality internet access isn't magic, it's Nomadix.